How to fix WhatsApp channel create option not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your WhatsApp channel create option if it is not showing properly. So for that, just open your WhatsApp and click on the updates from the middle on the top, and here when you click on the plus icon, as you can see that my create channel option is showing perfectly fine. But if it is not showing in your case, all you can do is just come back in your home screen, and after that just long press on your WhatsApp and just click on uninstall. And after uninstalling your WhatsApp, just go to your Play Store again and then download your WhatsApp application in your mobile phone, and after that just log into your account, and that might fix your problem. And you can also use another way while clearing up your cache from the WhatsApp. So for that, just go to your settings, and after that just locate apps, and then just click on app management, and then just look for WhatsApp again here, and after that just click on it, and here you will see the storage users and data users, and just click on storage users, and here you can clear the data or the clear cache. And after you clear your data and your cache, your WhatsApp bug will be fixed and your WhatsApp will start working perfectly. So this is basically how you can fix your WhatsApp create option if it is not showing. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.